Okay, to start uploading, you need to go to your channel, click create a video or post, upload a video, wait for it to load, close that tab, go into your Google Drive, go to the file with the video that you made, click the video, drag it to here. It'll bring up the screen. You rename it. Put a description if you need to. Go to advanced setting. This is where you put the category and then game title. Then this should come up. You just click the game. And then when it's done loading, it lets you pick your thumbnail at the bottom if you want to do that, and then you just click publish. That's the tutorial for how to upload a video.